next week, October 17, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, we're doing a special session in this briefing, cross-checking your lead compliance strategy. That's going to be with Mark Pasculli and Cole Stanton. Mark, give us a quick overview as to what next week's session is going to look like.
Yeah, we're going to have a lot of great information for you guys on really the responsibilities of being an RRP renovator. There's some myths involved in it and some things that people, I don't think, really clearly understand the responsibility and when the responsibility falls outside of your purview. The other thing is really the importance of documenting the compliance, because these penalties that can come down are really severe. Are they frequent? They're not frequent, but when the penalties come, they're harsh. So we really think it's important to address the documentation part of it and how critical that is in order to, when you have the EPA show up and do an audit, that you don't have the cold sweats at night the few days before they show up to do the audit because you know your documentation is in place. So we're going to be talking a lot about that. And we're going to be talking a lot about what happens when a HUD property is involved and what are your responsibilities when a HUD property is involved. So it's going to be packed with a lot of information that
Good.
will really help contractors with your lead compliance.